Hey, welcome back to this short video series about the C64 OS Toolkit. In this video I want to talk about the list class. This is a list here. Lists are simpler than tables. In fact, the list is the superclass for the table. Consists of one column that can be scrolled vertically. You can click on individual items to select them. You can scroll the list. You can use the keyboard. You can use the cursor keys to move the selection up and down the list. And the scroll bar moves to keep the item that you've selected in focus. With special support from the application, you can also support multi-selections. Now, the other thing I wanted to show about all these classes in general is keyboard focus. So you can see that when this is in keyboard focus, this bar is green. But if I click onto another view that takes keyboard focus, this bar grays out. So now as I cursor up and down, I'm interacting with this field over here. I'm not interacting with this. But if I click back onto the list, this field goes out of focus and focus comes back to the list, and this bar becomes green again. So classes have the ability to draw themselves differently depending on whether they're in focus or out of focus, and classes have the ability to either take first key or not. Additionally, you note that when you have the mouse pointer here, but as soon as you use the keyboard to move the selection, the mouse pointer is blanked to get it out of the way. So that's just an overview of the list class.